Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some piece of decor for winter. As I said, I'm decorating for winter right now, and I'm going to use some things that I have around and I was not using, but I didn't want to get rid of them because I knew at some point I was going to find a way to use them. I have had this piece. It was pink. You still can see some pink here. Well, the felt was pink also. I painted it white. I don't remember what it was. It had something here. It broke, but I don't remember, honestly, what it was. So I have had this for, I think it's like 10 years or so. And I use it for washi tape, for ribbons, and now I'm not using it, but I didn't want to get rid of it. And today I found a way to put it to good use. First, I'm going to glue some nautical rope in white from Dollar Tree all around the base with hot glue. This video is part of the Flippin Friday challenge that is hosted every month by Jaime from Board or Bananas. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please, 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 please visit the hostess channel and watch all the videos, and if possible leave some comments, like, and consider subscribing, because that helps us a lot to grow our channels and be able to go on bringing you nice content with original ideas for pieces of decor, thrifting, organization, etc. So now I have to cut this here and glue the final extreme of the rope. It's not easy. So we're almost done with this part, and here we go. The second thing I'm going to add is this ornament. I made this myself with these pieces of wood from Dollar Tree for my Christmas tree 2 years ago. It was a farmhouse style. Now it's also farmhouse style, but I have other ornaments. I don't use this anymore. So I'm going to place this here and slid it through the center. I'm going to glue them, these woods, to the base, like so. But I'm also going to glue this here to the bottom to make it more firm, or to get it better adhered and make sure it's not going to move. So we are done with this. And now I had also this coaster that was left from, so I have more, and I have this one left, and I'm going to add it here on top of this stick or dowel, like so. I hope I will be able to keep it in place just with hot glue, but if not, then I'm going to add E6000. I want to make this quick, but I don't know if hot glue is enough. Let's pray that it is. I'm going to add more in the back to reinforce it. I think it's going to work, at least till I finish the video. Then I will have to look for my E6000, or maybe not, I don't know. Okay, let's add a little bit more. And we are done. Okay, I think it's going to stay in place. And now the final touch for this DIY. You can see it's really easy and really quick. I hope you know my daughter and I are dumpster divers, and we found many treasures in the dumpsters. And by the way, our channel is Dumpster Chicks, and the link is going to be in the description box if you want to pay a visit. That would make us really, really happy, and you will have a lot of fun, believe me. We found a box at Michael's dumpster, 2 boxes, one with a lot of these wooden tags with this shape, and another box with the same ones, but they were rectangular. So I took one packet that has 2 in it, and I printed these words, and using white transfer paper I transfer them to the tag. The tag has a clothespin in the back that is so firmly adhered that it's impossible to remove. Anyway, I like it to be not glued right on top of the surface of the coaster. So it's great that I still have this surface, but I don't like that I wasn't able to cut all this. So I don't know if I can. Okay, maybe later I will sand it, I don't know. But I needed to film this right now, and I couldn't do something better. But I will do something with this because I don't like how it looks. Anyway, for the purposes of this video, just pretend that you can't see the top of the clothespin. So using a white marker, my favorite one, again I'm not affiliated to this brand, I only love it and I like to recommend the things I love. I wrote the words and I went all around the border. So I'm going to glue it to the center of the sign. With a generous amount of hot glue for it not to go anywhere. Let me press for a little while. We have to take our time to make sure things are adhere as they should, and I hope it is fixed. Yes. And the last detail that will finish all this is this bow that I made with this ribbon. I bought this ribbon on eBay. It was really inexpensive. It's 50 yards, and I think I paid no more than $5 or $6 for this roll. So this is spool. So I'm really happy with it. It's the second time I buy from the same seller. It's from China, but they have a very good service. So I'm going to add this bow here at the bottom of, or under, or below, not under, below the tag, to give it a more farmhouse style look, because as I always say, my house is all farmhouse style. I loved it, and so I try all my DIYs to be farmhouse style. And here you have it, a new life for 2 items that were around in some drawers, and I really like how they look. I love decorating for winter. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you to Jaime for hosting this challenge. Please visit her channel, and watch all the videos in the playlist. And also dumpster diving channel, why not? Thank you to all of you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.